Hello and welcome to another video of HTML series with CSS and examples for beginners. In this video we going to learn about HTML headings. Let's start. HTML headings are basically titles or subtitles of a web page. HTML offers 6 levels of headings. H1 to H6 tags. Each level shows how important this title or subtitle. H1 defines the most important heading, whereas H6 defines the least important heading. Headings are important for web users as well as search engines. Search engines use the headings to index your web page in their search results. One important thing is to understand that we can use them as heading, but don't use headings to make text big or bold. Got it? Let's start practice. Open Sublime Text Editor. If you don't have Sublime Text Editor, please watch our video how to download and install Sublime Text Editor with package control step by step. Type H1. Press Tab. Heading 1. Heading 2. Heading 3. Heading 4. Heading 5. Heading 6. Go to File, Save. Right-click in Sublime Text Editor. Open in Browser. H1 shows bold and big, whereas H6 shows small. I hope you guys understand HTML headings. That's all for now. Keep watching for HTML series with CSS and examples. Please subscribe and like our video.